What's the best way to heat up your career? ALOA 2020 in Kansas City. Check out this year's menu. The industry's best instructors leading hands-on classes.
You need to come to ALOA because the value of the education that you receive here is amazing. And the network of subject matter experts that you're introduced to will help you tenfold in your career. And you will definitely get the value of it, and you'll definitely get the education and learning, and it will definitely help you in your daily business.
Meet industry leaders and make new connections.
It's all about networking. There's almost 2,000 people here. There's vendors, there's other locksmiths, and there's a huge opportunity in education, networking, and marketing.
And get access to sizzling new products. Get the recipe for success at ALOA 2020. It's Smokin.